What is happening, everyone? mEDIK here again with the beers and the randomly selected beats because it is time for another 5 Record Friday, the series where I pick 5 records completely at random from these shelves and show them to you. But like always, before we get into it, you can check out the weekly live stream every Sunday, noon Pacific on Twitch. Link down below. We are starting things off by going all the way back to 1994 with the absolute classic, unmistakable jazz note. In a time of mashed up drums and violent dancehall samples, Krust brings the euphoric vibes with his chilled out mellow roller. Originally released in 1994 on V Recordings, this is the 2007 repress. Next up, we are going big with the one and only Vault by Pendulum. Released in 2003 on 31 Records, Kings of the Rollers Volume 3, this track was enormous when it came out. It was everywhere. It absolutely changed the game in production. After Vault was released, every tune became bigger, louder, punchier, and production just came overall more surgical than it was before. You cannot overestimate how important this track was to drum and bass. And those triplet drum fills absolutely blew everybody away. If you want absolute raga jungle chaos, look no further than Prodigal Son's Dis a War. This tune absolutely is a war. Between bass, between breaks, raga samples, it's got them all, and it is an absolute dance floor destroyer. For me, 2000 to 2010 was the pinnacle of North American hardcore raga jungle, and being released in 2007, Dis a War fits right into that golden era. The next one is one that is one of my favorites, and that is the digital remix of AK-1200's Junior's tune. It's got that deep rolling bass, the amens that are a little choppy but not really, and the vocals by Junior Reid give it that classic raga vibe. This was released in 2002 on Breakbeat Science as number 2 in AK-1200's Shoot to Kill series. Longtime followers of this channel will know that I love those meat grinder late 90s tech step tunes, and Shimmon's remix of Dark Agenda's Boogie Nights is no exception. It is an absolute slammer, and while released on Canada's Vinyl Syndicate, really shows off what Shimmon brought to RAM. And there we have it, another 5 records down. Let me know what you thought of them down below. Like always, do all that engagement stuff YouTube likes or whatever. Check out all the socials down below. Huge thanks to our patrons DaveC, mEDIK, and Jason Storey. They help keep this whole thing going. You can check out how you can become a patron down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.